transfer colleges in the same way that you apply to a college for your first year. So basically, you have to go through the college admissions process all over again. It's not that different, fortunately, but also unfortunately, if you already went through the process once, you know how much work it is, and you're basically going to have to put in that work again. So when you create your account on the Common App, which is one of the sort of main applications that can be sent to many different universities, it's going to ask if you're a first-year applicant or a transfer applicant, and you simply click that you're a transfer applicant. Universities might have different requirements of you. Since you're a transfer applicant, they might want to see your college grades and have letters of recommendation from college professors. So be very sure that you go on the specific university's website and see what their requirements are for transfer applicants, as it's going to vary from institution to institution. It's always really important that you double check with the actual universities themselves.